Do you need this tool in 2026? In 2026, digital advertising and product discovery have become more competitive than ever. Sellers, marketers, and e-commerce businesses are constantly searching for tools that help them find winning products, analyze trends, and uncover high-performing ads before competitors do. Three popular tools that often come up in this space are Minea, AdSpy, and PiPiADS. All three promise data-driven insights, but each takes a slightly different approach. So which one, if any, do you actually need this year? Let's start with Minea. Minea is primarily a product intelligence and trend discovery tool, known for tracking trending products and social performance, especially on platforms like TikTok and short-form video ecosystems. What Minea excels at is trend spotting. It shows products that are gaining traction, engagement signals, and social signals in real time. This is hugely valuable when trends evolve quickly and you want to be ahead of the curve. Many sellers use Minea to discover products that are about to blow up on TikTok or other video platforms, giving them a head start on launching ads and stocking inventory. One of Minea's biggest strengths is its speed and simplicity. It's intuitive, easy to use, and very focused on trend metrics rather than deep historical data. If your approach is to continuously scan for rising opportunities and you want simple, actionable insights, Minea fits naturally into that workflow. However, Minea isn't designed to give you deep ad analytics or competition insights at the detail level that seasoned ad buyers might need. It's great for spotting trends, but once you find a product idea, you may need another tool to analyze how competitors are advertising it, or what creatives are running. Now let's talk about AdSpy. If Minea helps you find trending products, AdSpy helps you decode competitor ads. AdSpy is an ad intelligence platform that gives you a massive database of ads across major social platforms. You can search by keywords, niches, targeting strategies, and even filter by engagement rates, ad length, and more. It's powerful because it lets you see what actual competitors are running, the headlines, creatives, copies, performance patterns, and frequency. For people who do performance marketing, dropshipping, or paid ads, AdSpy is almost like a microscope into the battlefield. It helps you understand not just what products are trending, but how they are being marketed and which ad strategies are working. This can save you months of testing and can be worth the subscription just from the insights you get. However, AdSpy is specialized. It's not focused on trend forecasting in the same way Minea is, and it's not a product research tool first. Instead, it's an ad research platform. If your main goal is product discovery, AdSpy might feel like overkill unless you pair it with something like Minea. Then there's PiPiADS, which sits somewhere between the two. PiPiADS is a multi-platform ad intelligence tool with a focus on short-form video ads, trending creatives, and performance benchmarks across different regions. It's especially strong if you're targeting markets where TikTok, Instagram Reels, or similar platforms dominate. PiPiADS gives you visibility into ad creatives and performance signals that help you understand not just trending products, but trending ad angles and creative formats. It's a bridge between product trend discovery and detailed ad strategy. Compared to AdSpy, PiPiADS often feels more focused on short-form trends and engagement metrics, while AdSpy is broader and deeper for traditional paid ads across multiple channels. Compared to Minea, PiPiADS offers more creative insight and ad context, not just trend spikes. So do you need one of these tools in 2026? The answer depends on your business model. If you're primarily focused on discovering trending products early, especially for social commerce or TikTok shop, Minea is an excellent choice because it lets you see what's emerging before everyone else does. If you're doing performance marketing and want to reverse engineer what's working in ads, AdSpy is the tool that gives you deep, searchable insight into actual competitor ads and copy performance. If you want a blend of trend insight and creative ad intelligence, especially tuned for short-form video platforms, PiPiADS offers a middle ground with both creative context and trend signals. None of these tools is a scam. All are used by marketers and sellers in 2026 to inform decisions and improve performance. But they serve different purposes. Many successful sellers use two or even all three in their toolkit. One for trend discovery, one for ad strategy, and one for creative insight. So the better question isn't which one is best overall, but which one fits your workflow and goals. If you want fast trend spotting, go with Minea. If you want ad competitive intelligence, go with AdSpy. If you want creative insights and short-form trends, PiPiADS is worth exploring. If this review helped you figure out which tool fits your strategy in 2026, leave a like, subscribe for more honest comparisons, and let me know in the comments, which tool are you most excited to use? Stay strategic, stay ahead, and I'll see you in the next one.